किसी को खेलना है तो अभिषेक शर्मा की तरह खेलो। कितना अच्छा खेला है। इस टाइप का खिलाड़ी इंडिया का बहुत बहुत जरूरी है।
Next up, the Beyond Super Sixes of the Match Award, and this one goes to Abhishek Sharma. As many as 5 sixes in the match today. A check of USD 3,000 and an award from Mr. Rahul Kumar Shaw to Abhishek Sharma, who was once again sensational. Abhishek. Next up, we've got the DP World Player of the Match, and this one is Abhishek Sharma as well. So congratulations to Abhishek Sharma, 75 of 37, 6 fours, and a strike rate of 202.7. Mr. Andrew Russell will present a trophy from ACC and a USD check of 5,000 rupees to Abhishek Sharma, who's going to come and have a chat with us. Well done, you're on a roll. Tell us exactly how you're feeling at this moment.
I mean, of course, I've got job for my team, and I was just, doing my job. It's just, I've told before also, I don't think much when I'm going to bat. I just go with the flow. When I see it's in my range or anything, if it's in the first ball also, I just go for it and try to get the power play for the team.
Because you're batting in this fashion, there's obviously so much, everybody's watching and analyzing. The first ball thing of every match and every over is something that you maybe especially look to do, isn't it? Go big first ball.
No, I mean, of course, in few matches I wanted to go for the first ball because if you see that there are certain bowlers, they want to get wicket on the first ball, and I had a plan that if I go for that ball in the first ball only, then obviously. But in this match especially, I felt like because this was a new wicket and new pitch probably, so I wanted to check how it's going, and obviously it was swinging and seaming a bit in first 2-3 overs. And then me and Shubman, we spoke about it, and we wanted to take some, a few balls and then charge on.
There's obvious power hitting that, amazes all of us. But every time you hit the ball, whether it's in the air or along the ground, it seems to find the gaps. And it seems like you have a knack of knowing exactly, where the fielders are. Some of the shots that you play are a reaction to the field set, isn't it?
I mean, I always try to just go with the field because there are certain shots that I back really hard, and I always see the field and then go for those shots because I'm not someone who just go there and go all out like that. But obviously, there's always field in my mind and wanted to play shots according to the field.
And what is your assessment of where do you think the power, that you play the big shot, 90-meter sixes, where does it come from? Just your batting style, or there's some work you've done on strength?
I mean, of course, I've done a lot of work at practice sessions because I feel that is the time when actual batsmen get time to, work on himself or whatever But I had a plan that if I want to play this kind of intent and this kind of cricket, then I have to practice really hard for it. And if you see when you practice and you play too many shots in the nets, and there are chances when you get a lot of times you get out, and so that was in my mind that I wanted to play shots and not to get out, so that's always in my mind when I'm practice.
Excellent, lovely to hear all this. Congratulations on the award and keep up the good work, Abhishek. Well done.